Hey guys, welcome to my garage. I am the DIY guy and I want to give you a little tour, show you a little bit about what I do. I like tinkering with electronics and playing with some fun little toys. And I'm super excited to show you about a product that I recently came across. If you divert your attention down here, it's made by a company called Lumenology. It's the Portable Motion Sensor Light. Okay, now it's got three settings: off, on, and auto. And I'm gonna turn it to auto right now and show you the magic of the sensor. If you guys would be so kind as to kill the lights. Hey guys, I'm waving my hand in front of the sensor so you can see the motion detector, which only works in the darkness. And it detects up to 13 feet out with a 100-degree spread like this. And then the reason that's so powerful is because you save so much energy with these batteries. Look at this. There's 3 AA batteries, very powerful. And there's a toggle switch here. You have off, on, and auto. And the reason you might want to keep it on auto is to detect motion in the darkness, so it turns on when you need it. But if you need it for, let's say, a flashlight type purpose, turn it to on and then just walk around with it. Great. Or like me, if you're using it to work on some projects, you can set it up and mount it somewhere and use it in that regard. And I'm going to show you that right now. So it comes with 2 mounting options: plate and a tripod. Now the magical thing about this is it's magnetic. Look at this. All right, it's going to come in handy. A lot of applications. I don't know why you'd want to do that. But let me show you what you can do if you use the tripod. Just screw it in like that. And then got a couple legs here. Put it around just like that. Do a little one of those twisty magoo things. And then the cool thing is with this is it tilts up and down. So you turn it on, you can tilt it up, you can tilt it down, just how you need it, right in your beautiful workspace here. Boom! Instant flashlight. Let's go, follow me. Hey, what's this? Look at that, file cabinet. Ha, where should I mount this thing? Boom, right there, magnets, fantastic. Over here, I got another one, which is great. Turn it on, and now I can see the tools in my drawer. I love that, it's amazing. The other cool thing I like to do is double up on this, angle them in, whatever project I'm working on, it's just amazing. So then, follow me this way, and every now and then, Babe needs to go to that odd dark corner in the room, and the light just doesn't make it. But, boom, look at that, automatic. Guess who installed this? I did. You know what it cost me? Very little, because I'm not a contractor and I don't really do much. I didn't even need any tools. I just have the little tripod thing here in the corner. If you can see that, look at that. I would just pivot that around, see? It's amazing. Now, we're gonna take this outside because I wanna show you the safety features of this. But the other thing that I want to point out is not only the amount of money that you can save by not having to hire a contractor to install, thousands of dollars worth of lighting, but it's also amazing for safety. It's really, really helpful. Now, what we're going to do is check this out. So if you're in an emergency situation or you just need to change some oil and it happens to be dark out, this is pretty nifty, huh? Look at that. I'm really liking this tilt feature for pivoting the light. It's just really helpful. Look at that. All right, guys. Well, thanks for checking out my VIP private tour of my creative space, aka my garage. I'm sure you have some similar applications where you could use this beautiful bad boy of a product on. Now, once again, you need to check out the Portable Motion Sensor Light by Lumenology. This is DIY Guy, over and out.